I'm in Captiva. There's my boat. I went to leave 2 days ago and it wouldn't start. I tried to troubleshoot with a couple people, including Hayden Cochran. I couldn't figure it out, and I got somebody to come up here, which is kind of a challenge because coming from Fort Myers, that's where all the repair guys are, to come to the top of Captiva. It's a long drive and you got to pay them for that drive time. Anyway, we got it narrowed down to I need a new starter. So that's what I'm waiting on. Supposedly it's coming in today. And I was really hoping that I could actually do a video where I fix something on my boat, but that was not to be. Not yet. Oh man, the birds have attacked the boat. Goodness, I got some work to do. Wow. I cleaned it off. Woo, that was a mess. Salty been and out.